News from West Bengal. The Kolkata High Court has accepted the Bengal government's plea challenging the single bench verdict against TMC MP Tapas Pal. The division bench will be hearing this plea tomorrow. Till such time, there is relief for the TMC MP as the court has asked for a stay on the single bench order. Now, the single bench, if you remember, had asked the police to file an FIR within the next 72 hours. This happened about 2 days ago. So, 72 hours up, and that's the latest. It is a reprieve somewhat for Tapas Pal as we speak. Indrajit Kundu now joins you on the phone line. Indrajit, it seems that the TMC has put a span in the works even of the Kolkata High Court.
Well, that's right. The Kolkata High Court has accepted the plea of the TMC government challenging the single bench verdict with an order for a CID probe, a court-monitored CID probe, as well as FIR to be registered against Tapas Pal for his remarks within 72 hours, that is 3 days. Now, the division bench has accepted the plea of the state government challenging the single bench's verdict. In an effect, that also puts a stay to the verdict of the single bench till such time that the plea is taken up by the new bench. So the plea will be taken up tomorrow in the morning. So Tapas Pal has an interim relief till 2 p.m. tomorrow. So within tomorrow morning, we'll be able to know what shall be the judgment of the division bench after it hears the case and disposes the case off. Till such time, it is an interim relief in a sense, because the court had given 3 days time to the police. The police deadline comes to an end tomorrow. However, till such time, the court has stayed the single bench's verdict. So some respite for Tapas Pal. However, the ball is firmly in the division bench's court, which is going to pronounce its verdict after it hears and disposes of the plea tomorrow morning.
All right, so clearly the TMC burning the midnight oil there, Indrajit, because they've been conspicuous with their silence over this entire issue. But where is the TMC MP in question as we speak?
Well, Tapas Pal has, in fact, been, released from the hospital last Saturday. He went to the Trinamool headquarters to meet Party General Secretary Mukul Roy and seek advice as to what should be his future course of action. The Trinamool Congress, of course, has, in fact, submitted a letter before the Speaker of Lok Sabha, Sumitra Mahajan, stating that Tapas Pal will give the entire budget session a miss because of his ill health. So the Trinamool strategy is to, avoid any embarrassment by asking Tapas Pal to keep a low profile and not, and completely, not coming into the media glare at this point in time. At the same time, the government is fighting the case out legally, but there is widespread criticism as to why the government would waste money in fighting such a case on behalf of an MP who has clearly offended public sentiment. And it's not only, the common people and the opposition which is raising the ante against Tapas Pal. Even Trinamool leaders have started speaking out, and we have reported this morning how, Trinamool MP from Durgapur has openly criticized Tapas Pal, and another Trinamool MLA has openly criticized, Tapas Pal. So the rift within the Trinamool Congress as to how to go about the Tapas Pal issue clearly coming out in the open at a time when Mamata Banerjee stands firmly on his side.
All right, Indra, we'll keep coming back to you for more, especially tomorrow will be a big day because that's when the court is going to be taking this case up. But for now, it's a breather for TMC MP Tapas Pal, who had threatened to murder and kill CPM workers and their wives.